Hi everyone, my name is Juan Sebastian from Sporalys, where we develop koji-powered ingredients for the new food frontier. Great flavor is inherently biological. The foods we value the most, like coffee, aged meats, and cheeses, rely on fermentation and enzymatic transformation. But biology, unfortunately, is slow and very hard to control, especially in flavor, because it develops through fermentation, the breakdown of molecules such as sugar, proteins, and lipids, and aging processes that take a long time. These systems are inherently time dependent, climate sensitive, and variable. And when this happens, capital is locked for companies that work in this industry. For example, in coffee, every crop variability generates price volatility. In charcuterie, long aging times generates working capital lockup for these companies. And for cheese that have from 1 to 2 years of aging time, it generates limited throughput for this category. All of these industries face the same constraint, time based biology. So that is why we asked ourselves that if we can control the biology, we can actually unlock efficiency. And we developed an ingredient platform for high value food systems. Based on Aspergillus oryzae and solid state fermentation, we have optimized Aspergillus oryzae strain, directed evolution, data driven substrate matchmaking, and the controlled solid state fermentation parameters so that we can impact these high value industries. Coffee is our entry point. It is a over $400 billion global category, generating over 7.4 billion kilograms of annual volume. It's flavor that drives value growth. It has short production cycles, and it's a straightforward regulatory pathway for us. In terms of our industrial advantages, we generate up to 5 points in the Specialty Coffee Association scale, have coffees with 10 times more flavor complexity, and the key advantage is that we unlock margins for different players in the industry. Right now, we are developing for launch in roasted coffee and actively working with coffee farms and green coffee processors so that we can upscale our ingredients. We unlock margin efficiency across the whole value chain. For specialty roasters, upscaling from 84 points to 87 points means €6 in potential revenue. For farmers, the uplift generates more than 50% on return on investment from using our processing aid. And for industrial application, generating just zero point 0.1 to €0.4 per kilogram means 10 to $40 million in capital unlock working at industrial volumes, all generating value creation across the whole value chain. But apart from coffee, our processes can develop into other applications, like charcuterie, where we can develop over 90% of faster aging, and cheese, where we are currently working to deliver 2 times the aroma complexity. We have key industrial validation with leading food corporations, both Europe and Latin America, across the three different categories that we are working on. And this is why we win. Our proprietary strain library, our solid state fermentation know how right now focuses on modular systems, and incorporating the data and artificial intelligence layer helps us develop faster cross matrix validation, all with industrial embedding from the get go. We work in the fermentation driven ingredients market that is a sum of $150 million, and our structural drivers of adaptation is flavor that determines product pricing, processing times that can help us unlock more margins, and the variability across these industries. Right now, we are currently working in coffee and wish to expand into proteins and other multi matrix systems. This is our business model, focusing on ingredient development towards direct B2B sales and ingredient distributors in the future. We are a key founding team built for industrial fermentation with key knowledge from the CPG industries and how these corporate partners work from within, and key scientific and research knowledge both on the biochemical and enzymatic side. Our key strategic advisors and the ecosystem we have built help us in terms of supporting to delivering our solution for a more efficient and tasty future. Thank you.